Okay, I'm a horrible gardener. Probably the worst ever because I used to kill everything, and for now I'm doing a little bit better. But I want to show something that it's working for now, at least for now. So, if you want to start growing your own vegetables, you don't need to go and buy all these seeds and everything. You can just do it from scraps. Like peppers. If you want to grow bell peppers, what you need to do is just scoop out these little seeds, put them in a container with some soil, good soil, and after a few days you will start having this. And with even more days you will have this. And then maybe, if I'm lucky, I will have peppers someday. I don't know when. I don't know what's the next step. I think I need to buy obviously a bigger pot, and I see that some people is putting like canes and stuff because apparently they like to grow up and to hold the weight. Whatever, that's a problem for tomorrow. For now I'm very happy that I think I'm growing vegetables from scraps.